Everything happens in aviation, you know that. There's nothing, no day is the same. We have been working with Bombardier over the last 20 years. Bombardier has played a pivotal role in keeping the aircraft going, supporting us as operators throughout the industry. And the reliability of the airplanes is the big thing. So my airplanes, I have a 99.98 dispatch reliability rate on my aircraft, all of them. And the support we get from Bombardier has been fantastic over all these years. Very much in tune with us as operators, as I feel anyway. They have been for the duration I've been with working with them, 20 years. So they make our jobs a lot easier when it comes to maintenance and operation of the aircraft. And along with that comes the reliability of the parts. The OPO makes things a lot easier when you're time constrained for us to order parts and get them to where we need to be. If I have a problem, I call Parts Logistics and it's resolved immediately. There's no messing around. And the availability has gotten so much better with parts. It makes, like I said, makes our jobs a lot easier as maintenance people. There is a big difference in the support I get and the product I get. There's never been a question about another Bombardier product. They're standing in line to get them. So everybody's here to support us as operators, and they are very responsive and very knowledgeable. We have nothing but good things to say about them, honestly, from our department. And if I may say this with all honesty, dealing with Bombardier on a personal level is fantastic. It's a family atmosphere. It really is. I know I can call these people at any time, day or night.